Well, there's another Justice Department case against Google, this one concerning the search engine giant's ad tech practices. Grady Trimble has details.
For the second time in 2 years, Google is on trial for antitrust violations. This time around, the Department of Justice is trying to make the case that Google has an illegal monopoly on the technology needed to place those display or banner ads you see when you visit just about any website. The DOJ has been showing this chart several times in court. It looks complicated, but they're really just trying to use it to illustrate that Google has its hands in every step of the process of buying and selling those online ads. They likened Google's position in the market to JP Morgan owning the New York Stock Exchange. One of the DOJ's witnesses, the CEO of a smaller ad tech company, explained how Google prevented his company from gaining access to some of Google's ad tech. But on cross-examination, Google's attorneys tried to show that his company would stand to benefit financially if Google shared that technology. Another DOJ witness, an executive at Gannett, which owns USA Today, testified that USA Today and Gannett's ad revenue declined while Google became more dominant in the ad tech space. But then, during cross-examination, Google's attorneys referenced his own quote from a 2017 article in which he says, "We are entering a world where 3 major titans are going to be competing for ad dollars." Note that he didn't say 1 major titan. On day 2 of the trial, the DOJ continued to try to paint Google as a massive player in the online ad space that used its power to block smaller companies from competing, leaving publishers with fewer options. Google's attorneys are trying to argue that the reason Google's products are so popular is because they are better. In Alexandria, Virginia, Grady Trimble, Fox Business.